You've probably clicked on this video because you're looking for a knife roll. Well, I've got you covered. This one is a beauty. Check this out. How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. A company reached out to me called Kyoku, and they wanted me to review one of their knives. And I've got plenty of knives. I've reviewed a lot of knives, and in fact, I've got knives coming out of my ears, and I love knives, don't get me wrong. But I checked on their website, I really checked, and something caught my eye. And I've been wanting a knife roll, a chef bag for a long time. I've had mine for 20 years, so, you know, it's about time I actually changed it. And like I said, something caught my eye, and I saw this beautiful knife roll available in black and brown, and I picked the brown one, and it's here, and beautiful box. So I am excited to actually open this. And also, you don't have to be a professional cook or a chef to have one of these. Anybody can have one of these. They're just nice to have, somewhere nice to put your knives, safe, and you know, you can travel about with them. And you know, and if you are a professional cook on the prowl for a knife roll, look no further, because I think you're gonna like this. So let's unbox it and see what it's all about. It's a beautiful box, inspired by tradition, but not bound by it. Let's have a look. Wow. Got the care instructions there. Wow, look at that. Actually feels amazing. Look at that. Nice weight to it. Straps. Little safety flaps for your knives. It's got, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. It's got for your spoons, your pens. I guess that's for your business cards. Comes off. It feels really good quality leather. It feels really, really nice. And I just love the stitching. I love the quality of it. Beautiful. Really, really nice. Yeah, it feels great, it really does. So let's just dive in a little bit more and see what it's all about. Welcome to the Kyoku Chef Knife Roll Bag, available in black and brown. It comes with 10 knife slots, 3 utility loops, and a detachable pocket. The quality on this knife roll is amazing. Crafted from tough and splash-resistant 10-ounce wax canvas and full-grain oiled leather. It has 2 protective cloths for your knives, just to keep them safe. Heavy-duty buckles. The leather handle is comfy and strong. The shoulder strap adjusts between 27 and 51 inches to wear across your back. The knife roll also has a sidecar holder for keys, transit cards, and more. It also comes with a lifetime warranty. If you're looking for a new knife roll, I totally recommend getting this. And also, it will last you a very long time. So what do you think? I'm impressed. It looks absolutely beautiful. It feels beautiful. Really good quality, it really does. And, you know, I'll tell you that. I'll tell you if I didn't like it. But it feels great. Oh, yes. Yeah, I like that. Off I go. Check out their website. They've got loads of stuff. Tons of knives, knife sets, fantastic good quality knives. All the information is down below. The links are all there if you want to check them out. But they've got some good stuff. And if you are looking for a knife roll, I totally recommend this. You know, you're seeing it with me, and good quality, beautiful. And like I said, link below. Go and get one. Thanks, guys.